Hey everyone and welcome to Saw Auto and Unboxing YouTube channel. Today I will unbox for you the Skechers Men's Global Jogger High Flight Sneakers. Heighten your athletic style with comfort that delivers in the Skechers Global Jogger High Flight shoe. This casual sneaker features a perforated smooth leather upper with an air-cooled memory foam insole and Goodyear Performance Outsole for enhanced traction, stability and durability. I hope you will enjoy watching this unboxing video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you will return for more unboxing videos. Have a great day. Bye.